Guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I moisturize my natural hair. Right, my hair is in like 6 plaits because I'm not going anywhere, so I don't need to be doing a braid out or a twist out to wear in the house. Probably it would be good for content, but yeah, I'm gonna show you how I moisturize my hair using only 3 products, and that's if you don't even consider water a product, like only 2. And I'm going to be using my die-hard favorite. This is the Lottabody with coconut and shea oil. I use this a lot on my channel. This really moisturizes my hair. And basic shea butter that I didn't even mix. Why? Because I'm lazy and I actually forgot to mix it. So yeah, so just these 2.
And scissors just in case I have a knot, or in case I feel a single strand, knots, fairy knots, big knots, little knots, or if I see a split end, so that's.
And a clip to help section my hair. So guys, how are you guys doing with this virus that we can't name on YouTube? How are you guys? Like, I am seeing that persons are having problem with this quarantine. Like, honestly, I don't even have no problem with it. I'm not complaining. I don't really get to complaining. Maybe because I'm not somebody that goes out often and I'm mostly a homebody, so it doesn't really bother me per se. It's like, it's whatever, you know. I'd rather stay home anyways. So like, I figure that persons are mostly bored. Ooh, this would be a bomb braid out. So cute. And no product is in my hair, and it's fine. Yeah, like, I don't see the problem. I'm looking in a mirror that's in front of me. I mostly stay home, you know, and watch YouTube videos, singing videos, because I like singing videos, and or I sleep, or I cook. You know, there's like so much things that you can do. Like, find time to do all the stuff that you didn't get a chance to do because you were super busy. Like, God is giving us a chance to like slow down, you know, and just figure out what we're going to do next instead of like rushing it. Like, that's how I view it. So I know some of you newbies are like, oh, my channel probably is all over the place. It's not really. I'm more than just my hair. I'm more than just growing my hair, right? And I don't want to be that kind of YouTuber that gets stuck doing the same old content and then, you know, I end up being bored, or I end up stopping midway because I don't enjoy it. And you can tell when somebody's not enjoying what they're doing. So that much. And I'm melting it between my hands because it's a solid. Yeah, you can tell when somebody don't enjoy what they're doing, or they're just doing it because they want views, and that's not me. As much as my hair videos get more views, I ain't trying to break off my hair doing 100 million styles. Nope. I'm trying to get my hair hip length, and I want it to stay hip length because most of my favorite YouTubers are cutting off their hair or they have some kind of damage, like Minnie Marley, this is the next one, Jess, and there was this other one that had a video that said YouTube broke my hair, and I ain't trying to do all that mess, so I'm just gonna you know, do what feels right, because at the end of the day, if you wanna follow me, you will follow me. But what I can do is have like a schedule to say when I'm going to do certain kind of videos. So like Fridays, definitely I'm gonna upload hair videos on Fridays, even if it's not styling videos. Definitely I'm twirling my ends, definitely gonna do hair videos on Friday, and probably Monday I can do like, you know, commentary or reaction video, and another day in the week I'll talk about Christianity, or you know whatever it may be that is laid on my heart. It's not, I don't want you guys to think that my videos is all over the place. It's not like, think of it like when your favorite YouTuber does a fashion haul. You know, it's not necessarily a fashion haul video, you know, it's about hair initially, but they like branch out. So I'm taking 2 pumps for that section, and I'm using the praying hand motion to smooth it in my hair. Yeah, and I don't want to be stuck in the box, because I am more than my hair. I am definitely more than my hair. You know, I am not my hair, trust me. I like to sing, you know, I like to talk about colorism, you know, I like to give commentary, reactions, all of that jazz. Like, I don't know, people don't think you can detangle your hair with your fingers, like, and sealing all of that. And I love this product so much. Keeps my hair so soft and moisturized. Okay, so that is the end of this video. My camera shut off last minute, but yeah, you got the gist of how I do it, and this is how my twists are looking. You can actually wear your hair like this, like after you wash your hair, deep condition, you just put on your moisturizer and do some twists, and boom, you can catch it up. Work ready. I like to leave these 2 twists in the front when I'm going to school, or you can do this. This is also cute as well. Or what I like to do, because I like to just catch up my hair. This is how I wear my hair most of the time if it's in twists. Like, look at the shine. And that's it, just simple and easy like that. But I'm home, so I don't want to put much tension on my hair, so it's gonna be down. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, please comment, engage with me because I like to talk, and I do comment back on all the persons that comment under my videos. Share my content, share it with your friends, you know, persons that want to grow their hair or want commentary or just, you know, want an overall fun time because there's not much to do in quarantine time. So let's quarantine together, right? Have a wonderful and blessed day. Remember that God loves you and don't give up hope, you know. Just pray and trust in the Lord. Trust in the Lord with all of thine heart, and lean not to thy own understanding, but in all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct.